Hello and welcome. Welcome to my little playground. So we are here today with Liam the
remember their funeral.
Liam the mechanic, and you can go to his new YouTube channel, which has never been created yet.
Yeah, and you can pay me to come and do your electrics. No, you can't. I'm not. No, I'm not even getting in that. But we're gonna fit a headlight on a Peugeot Boxer. This is 2008 model, but from 2014 or mid 2014 onwards, they're all the same.
2018 model.
18, not 8.
Did I say 2008? Okay, 2018 model. My bad. But from mid 2014 onwards, they're all the exact same. And I imagine the Fiat Ducato and the Citreon relays are the same as well. And on these vans, it's easier to take the headlight out and replace the bulb than it is to try and replace it when it's in. Because sometimes you can get away with actually replacing the light when the headlight's actually still in. But on this one, no, it's easier to take it out.
Okay, cool. Let's do it. Oh, the camera's here.
I need to speak about. Alright, so to start off with, you need 3 tools. You need some long nose pliers to actually pull the bulb out with. You need a T30, torque bit to take 2 screws out with, one down here and one over here. And then you need a Phillips screwdriver or a crosshead, depending on what you call it, to take the 3rd screw out, which is down here. They're nice and simply to do, so we'll crack on with that now. You time-lapsing this? You better be time-lapsing this.
He's so good. He's like a presenter on TV. This is BBC World News by me and Liam.
Yeah, one thing you got to realise is there's another video on our channel when I just did that headlight. So yeah. I know exactly how to do it.
So if you want to see how both headlights are done, you have to go to both channels.
Yeah, that's a good tactic, isn't it? That is.
So strong.
Yeah, I only use this just because otherwise it puts Rob to shame. I could just do that on my fingers, really.
That's why he's got plasters on his fingers.
Yeah.
It's just thinking it was like a crime scene earlier.
Yeah, clean cut.
You have to give him morphine and everything.
Rob, well, good job I was with Rob, really, wasn't it? Yeah. Trauma team on the hand.
Yeah, but what did I do? All right.
Yeah, you'll be alright. Crack on. Then the last screw is down here. Jesus, that one's inside. As I'm speaking about, I could have done it with my fingers.
Everything happens for a reason.
There we go.
Time lapse 2 hours later.
And then with the headlight, that is loose, you literally push it over to the middle of the van, like that. Comes off, and that's your headlight, oh, headlamp, sorry, off. Then it's this one that we've got to replace. Yeah, the one with the cap on it is the headlight. So there's like a seal cover on here. Just pull that off. Oh, I did this last time as well. With wet fingers, it's hard. There we go. Get that off. And then all you've got is, we'll pull it around. You got your connector here. Just pull that off first. Get that out of the way. Then you need your long nose pliers here. And this is where I ended up cutting myself, which is what I've got a plaster on. Because this is like spring clipped in. Sometimes you get like headlights with like a little clip that you just actually like lift up and it'll come off, but this isn't. This is a bit more of a fancier system. And then you just give it a good pull, and out it comes. That's it. And then we just need to get the other bulb out here. Yeah, see, Rob's gone with 150% brighter ones because he's going blind with his old age, and he can't see at night now.
It's true.
That's why he couldn't do the change actual light himself, because he couldn't see where the screws were.
Yeah.
So much love from you two.
Oh yeah, he's feeling the love today.
Oh,
And then
I've got all your wood today.
and then literally we're just gonna put it in the exact same way. Make sure it's all lined up. Hold on. There we go. Get one side in, then use the pliers and push through it, and that's it. And that's nice and seated in. Push the clips on the back again. Just connect it back up. Come on.
Make it look easily.
As I say that, don't go on. You joker. Take 2. There we go. Done. Now, go switch the headlights on and see if it works. You got the keys, Rob? Well prepared for this video, obviously.
Jeez. That is bright. Yeah.
All good?
Yeah, that's bright.
Sweet. There you go.
I'm not gonna lie, that's about 149% brighter. I want my money back.
Hold on. What do you say?
That's only 149% brighter.
Is it?
Halfords lied.
Yeah. What was that noise?
Go.
So you put the light back in, you literally just push it in place and then pull it back to where it came from. Back this way, and that clips in, and then again just put the 3 screws back in, and then it's all secured in. Oh, and I forgot again to put the cap back on, which would have been easier when the light was actually out, but it isn't too bad. You just squeeze it in place, push that back on, seal it back up so no water can get in, and then empty pockets and get all the screws out. And that one's up here.
You really don't like French cars, do you?
We'll get that after.
That should be on the floor by now.
Okay.
One more screw. And we're secure. That's it. Done. And that is how you fit a headlight bulb on a 2018 Peugeot Boxer.
There's the camera again. So, yeah, that's us. So I'm going to be a white van wanker and just dazzle everyone now, hopefully on the way to Portsmouth later. So thank you
no
again
worries.
for doing that.
Yeah.
Again, there's another link for Liam's channel and all that sort of stuff, because he's obviously done another video about all this. So yeah, cool. And if you need any advice, speak to him, not me. I'll
try and help.
He knows more than me on some things.
Hopefully.
Cool. See you on the next video where we all get drunk later.
In Portsmouth.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye. Miserable. Bye.